Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Roth IRA from SoFi to Betterment, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your SoFi account on their website or app. Navigate to the Accounts section to locate your Roth IRA. Select the option to transfer account or move account, depending on the interface. Choose Transfer to another brokerage. Next, you'll need to gather your Betterment account details. Log into your Betterment account in a separate tab or app. Find the required information for receiving the transfer, including your account number. Return to the SoFi transfer process. Input your Betterment account details as requested. Review the transfer options available to you. Select whether you'd like to do a full transfer or a partial transfer. If doing a partial transfer, specify the amount or assets you wish to transfer. Confirm that you would like to initiate the transfer. Review your transaction details carefully before submission. Read and accept any terms and conditions presented by SoFi. Submit your transfer request. You may receive a confirmation email from SoFi regarding your transfer request. Keep track of your emails for any updates during the transfer process. It typically takes about 5 to 10 business days for the transfer to complete. Once the transfer is completed, log back into your Betterment account. Verify that the funds have arrived in your Betterment Roth IRA. If there are any discrepancies, contact Betterment's customer support for assistance. You can now continue managing your Roth IRA with Betterment's investment options. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.